Hello everyone, welcome to our syntax presentation. Today we are breaking down how sentences work out linear order, constituent structure, agreement, and sentence nesting. Let me introduce our speakers. First, Aska will cover linear order. Next, I'll be explaining constituent structure. Then Agnes will talk about agreement. And finally, Rahma will explain sentence nesting. Alright, let's get started.
Did you know that changing the order of words can make a sentence sound wrong? In syntax, this concept is known as linear order. Language requires speakers to express their ideas in a linear order. This means our thought must be arranged step by step in a specific sequence of words. In English, sentences are usually built from a noun phrase followed by verb phrase. For example, Spider-Man stops the villain. Spider-Man is a noun phrase, and stops the villain is a verb phrase. If we change the order like this, stop Spider-Man the villain, this sentence sounds weird, right? So, this shows the importance of linear order in sentence structure.
So, what we want to say is that in every sentence there are contained words that group together to act as a unit. We call this unit constituents and say that sentences have constituent structure. For example, Ellie chased Ben. A boy laughed. If I say the mysterious man met the woman near the fountain, we will all agree that the mysterious man, the woman, near the fountain are constituents. So this is what we mean by constituent structure in syntax.
Hello guys, I am Edna Sintari. Now I will explain what an agreement is. Agreement is an important feature of syntactic knowledge. Agreement means that part of a sentence must all be compatible with each other, even though they are not always next to each other. In English, agreements occurs between the verb and the subject. They must agree in number, either singular or plural. Agreement also occurs between pronouns and the noun phrases they refer to. In this case, agreement must be in gender and number. Example, the train is full, the trains are full, the boy was ashamed of himself.
Hello everyone, now I'm gonna explain about sentence nesting. Sentence nesting happens when one sentence is placed inside another sentence. It often marked with introductory words like that, when, where, which, or who. But nested sentence still has its own essential structure, noun phrase and verb phrase. For example, the children screamed when a bat flew into the room. When a bat flew into the room is the nested sentence. It has introductory word, noun phrase, and verb phrase. A sentence can also contain more than one nested sentence. There is no fixed limit. For example, Mike thought that the employee who quit because he was sick should be rehired. So basically, sentence nesting is a sentence inside a sentence.
Alright, that's all our syntax presentation. Thank you for watching and see you.